Revolutionize your remote team collaboration. Split screen showing remote team members struggling with multiple apps and tools. Tired of juggling multiple tools for remote work? Switch to the sleek, branded interface of our remote collaboration tool. Introducing our remote collaboration tool, your all-in-one solution for seamless teamwork. Alex switches to a user-friendly dashboard that showcases video conferencing, project management, and file sharing. Effortlessly integrate video conferencing, project management, and file sharing in one place. Switch to a team that seamlessly video conferences with clear audio and video quality. Connect with your team through high-quality video conferencing, no matter where you are. Scene shows a project management dashboard where tasks are assigned and monitored in real time. Stay on top of your projects with intuitive task management and real-time updates. Switch to a scene where a user easily shares and accesses files within the tool. Instantly share and access files so everyone has what they need when they need it. On screen, a team is collaborating on a document in real time, with comments and edits being made seamlessly. Make teamwork more efficient and productive by collaborating on documents in real time. Transition to a happy team celebrating a successful project completion. Experience the power of seamless collaboration and watch your team's productivity soar. A happy remote team gives the camera a thumbs up. Ready to transform your remote work experience? Try our remote work collaboration tool today.